Hi guys, Julia Chorak over here at Clermont CrossFit doing lesson plan 4 on class logistics. I went ahead and picked out the workout that had walking lunges, 30 box jumps, wall balls, and handstand push-ups. I did a very realistic drawing of my gym here. We have a really big open floor plan. It's a big square. The middle is empty-ish. We have 4 rings that hang from the ceiling. We have a mounted rack or rig on both sides. Each side has 4 wall ball targets. So there's 4 wall ball targets on the inside, 4 wall ball targets facing the wall. Same thing over here on this side. Our biggest class that we accommodate here at my gym is 16 people. So we have enough wall ball targets for a class of 16. What I went ahead and did for this workout specifically, if I was running the class, because of the way that our floor plan is, if we were to be walking for lunges, we would likely walk into each other, meaning we would have to go outside for those lunges. So if I was running the class, I would give people the option, if they would like to walk on concrete, do lunges on concrete, absolutely they can, but for safety, if they'd like to stay inside, I would tell them to do 50 lunges in place. I've done a lot of lunges in our gym, and I usually take about 10 to 12 lunges to get the 20-ish feet here in our gym. My math could be off, but I figured 50 in-place lunges would be equivalent to 100-foot walking lunges. So if we had a class of 16, that is what I would have my class do. For the box jumps, I would have each person just set their box up right in front of their station. We have ours stationed off. We did that back in COVID, where you have your own little box to work in. So they would have their wall ball target right here attached to the rig, and then behind them, I would have them put their box right there, and then I would have them keep their plate for their walking lunges right next to their wall ball. So they would have wall ball, plate for lunge, and then they would have a box right behind them so that everything is maintained within their station. The tricky part would be the handstand push-ups. We don't have like plexiglass or anything like that at every station, so all athletes would have to go to the wall. So what I would likely tell people to do is try to set up in between. If you are one of the athletes that are working inside and you have to come to the wall for your handstand push-ups, I would ask they go in between the 2 working athletes that would be here, because they would be able to handstand push up right behind their wall ball target. So I would have 8 athletes on this wall and 8 athletes on this wall. I will take my phone over there so you could see what our layout looks like. But that is how I would set it up. So again, it would be in place lunges right next to the wall ball target, which is attached to the rig. Their box would be behind them for their box jumps, and then they would all come to the wall for their handstand push-ups. And if they wanted to go outside for walking lunges, they absolutely could. The distance measured out would be to leave out of our bay door, go to the end of the building and back. But again, that's if they want to walk on concrete. So I would say for safety, stay inside, stay in place so you don't tear up those knees. But yeah, I will attach a video of our gym. This is my plan. This is my workout, and have a great week. This is our gym. So we have 2, 3, and 4 on both sides, and then this is the wall that they would all be able to line up on.